Yes, I've got this. On the Honda motorbikes, I don't know if it's on all motorbikes, I know it's on the PCX, I know it's on mine, blah blah blah. The OBD connector is a 4-pin connector, which I find quite bloody strange, to be honest. I don't know if there's only 4-pin used normally on an OBD, but whatever. So I bought this, which is a complete kit to change my 4-pin connector into a normal OBD. I didn't buy the OBD with this, but I've plugged it in there because that's where it sits. So I'm going to try this on my bike. To get to the OBD, I'll take that out because it looks better. I'll take my toolkit out and my screwdriver, which comes with the toolkit. I'm going to do these 3 screws here. So here's the OBD, which is carefully held in there in the rubber thing. So there we have a 4-pin connector. This is going to fit on, which looks completely different to me. It looks very, very, very different to me. I will return when I have the right equipment. Bloody piece of shit, 4-pin, my arse. There we have the plug. And then we have this. I'll try and get this bloody thing off again. I've got the adapter in there and it's staying in there for the time being. I'm just logging the data now. See, I've got here P00AA or P00AA, I don't know, powertrain fault. Now I've cleared it, but it keeps coming back. Now it says that that's something to do with the intake. Is it the intake air sensor or something? I know there's nothing wrong with the intake sensor because it does actually come up as a temperature. So I really don't know why. But anyway, it's fitted, it's working. I've just got to pull this back in and then suffer the consequences of being out here without any mosquito repellent on, which I only remembered 10 minutes ago, but you know, such is life. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another fantastic day on planet Earth. Although it is raining, it's not bad, it's just spitting, but that could change at any second because the rain here, oh dear, when it rains, it bloody well rains. You don't get this wishy-washy, oh it's drizzling all day in England sort of thing. No, when it wants to rain over here like it looks like over there, roads turn to rivers. You know, it's quite weird. The rain now feels like pins and needles, but it's warm pins and needles. It's a lovely warm, strange sort of feeling. Oh, it looks like we've got a something going on here. I don't know what. Look at that temple. Oh yeah, a temple. We've got to go to this 7-Eleven. My leg, ow, like this. Oh shit. Ooh, that was close. So, I now have to go to the thing, what do you call it? Agents. This time I'm using a different agent. Oh dear, that was close. My usual agent that I use has let somebody down. Not big, you know, but they've let somebody down and I don't like it. What happened was he came over here, he asked me what agent to use, so I told him blah blah blah, and he used them and they did the job, but they actually forgot to phone him up and say your passport's here. which I think is quite bad, considering he's only just come over here, and he wanted a retirement visa, and that happened. I think that is quite bad, so I'm not using them. I'm going to use another one that's been recommended, and also they do driving license sort of things. With the driving license, the thing that I did it the very, very long way, and I did it all on my own just to see if I could do it, and I did it, and it was quite daunting. But there's agents that actually take you down there, and they'll bring you back again. You see the driving centre, and then you get to come back again. So that's the agent I'm going to be using. So if anybody needs any advice or anything, let me know. It's not a problem. I'll share all the information with you. I'm not going to put it on YouTube because things change. Things change very, very quickly. So drop me an email. My contact details are actually on the About page of YouTube. So drop me an email and I'll sort you out as quick as I can. I might try and find somewhere to get the bike cleaned as well, because it's rather filthy. 4, 3, 2,
5 laps.
Go!
Pause.
Go! 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 Go!
Trellis up alongside.
A few people have got sweatshirts on. I'm not surprised. I'm feeling cold today at 32 degrees. I know. I'll follow this man here. Oh shit. Oh my god. What's going on, man? Mott's Services. Suppose we'll see if anyone's in here. Right, let's go and get the bike washed and I can talk. So he's taken all my documents, my passport. Oh shit, am I supposed to be going the other way? Wow, what's this place? These are townhouses. These are like the townhouses I was going to rent. The same sort of things. These are quite cheap, believe it or not. Oh, these speed bumps are a bit big. These are beautiful places. Oh, and I was looking at one. It was really the same size. Same size as these, and it was £6 a month. Obviously, with the £6 a month, you've got your water and your electric to pay on top of that. But yes, there was £6 a month. So what people do, what rich people do, is they buy one of these and then they rent it out. But there was £6 a month, same size as these. And they are detached. They've got an attached roof, coordinated turn. Perfect. If you don't know what a coordinated turn is, it's when you pull the back brake on and you accelerate at the same time, and it gives you a lot more stability. So these people, I've paid them to get my visa renewed, and next week I've got to go to immigration, down the bank, this, that and the other, and do all that bloody crap. And then they also they give you a 90-day report free, or they give you all your 90-day reports free if you use them. Oh shit, this is bad. Bloody hell, fire. This traffic's stupid today. What's wrong with people? Oh yes, in that visa place, they all speak very, very, very good English, and there's a bloke there who is an Englishman. Where he's from, I don't know. It's ooh shit. Anyway, the chap in there, yes, he is English. They had a bet, or they have a bet, on what nationality the next person who comes in is. This traffic is ridiculous today. Why? What's wrong with people? Where are we going? Anywhere? I think we're going here. Well, he said here, so I'm going here. Right, bike's been cleaned. It's beautiful now. Beautiful and clean. This bike is mint. It looks absolutely mint. Look, it's just come out of the bloody showroom again. Oh, look at these beautiful, beautiful straight and empty roads with no potholes, nothing. Absolutely smooth as silk these roads are. Hi, so the car. 95 full. Full. Yes, yes, please. Wow. Come on, come cab. Fuck me, that's expensive. 50 baht a litre. What have I just bought then? That's gold 95 plus Techron. I don't know what the friggin' hell that stuff is. Cop and cab. Thank you. Yes, we're connected. Look at that. 14.2 volts. What's the temperature? Coolant temp. 90. 90. Right. Can I do a screen recording? Screen record. Mobile. Screen recorder. Media. Start. Recording. Now, here we go. I think I've beat the rain. It's still raining now, it's just spotting sort of thing. Let's go a bit faster. Yes, we might just about miss it. I hope. I don't want to get wet. Although it doesn't matter over here getting wet because it's warm. It's quite refreshing, to be honest. It's like I'm a bit wet now, but the breeze is sort of it's lovely. It is refreshing. But the water over here, when it rains, it's warm. It's not cold rain at all. Not like in the UK where it goes bloody freezing. No, it still stays warm. Everything in Thailand is warm. Varying degrees of warmness. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like I have beat the rain. I'm going to end this one because it's over and there's no point continuing when something is over in life, relationships or anything. So I'd like you to remember that life is definitely worth living on this measly earth. All you got to do is get out there, do what makes you happy, do what makes you smile, and bollocks to what anybody else thinks.